How to register for Verizon. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar, search for verizon.com. It will land you on this official page of Verizon. Tap on sign in at the top right. If you already have your account, tap on sign in to my account. Give the access detail and log into your account. But if you don't have your account and you want to register it, then tap on register. You can choose any of the service from here. Either choose wireless or in-home. Select any of the service which is gonna be suitable for you. Now you have to enter your phone number. If you don't have your number, click on I don't have a mobile number. You will need to enter your active email address. Once you have entered, you will receive one registration mail in your email address. Once you go through your mail, this interface will appear. You need to fill up some of the information for your account setup. Once you are done, tap on Done at the bottom. There you go, your Verizon account has been registered successfully. That's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to register for your Verizon account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.